Welcome back to Brick by Brick. What you're seeing right here is my entire LEGO investing portfolio. I've been investing in LEGO for over 7 years, and it has turned out to be an incredible investment and really fun to do. And today we're going to be going through all these sets. Let's get started with the first set. This one right here is the LEGO Stormtrooper helmet set. This is at 75276. It's got 647 pieces. It's been a great investment. If you're able to get a set like this for on sale, it can be a great addition to your investment portfolio. Next up, we got this giant set right here. This is the LEGO Atat. It's got 1,267 pieces and quite a few minifigures. It's got 6 minifigures. Great set. If you're able to get this one on sale, could be a good addition to your portfolio. Next up, we've got 2 more LEGO Star Wars sets, and then a lot of these sets I have multiples of, so you'll probably be seeing multiples of the same set. But we have Luke's Landspeeder, and then this one is the Action Battle Hoth set. Next up we have a much bigger version of that Action Battle on Hoth set. This one is LEGO set 75241. Very interactive set. It's got plenty of minifigures. It's been an okay investment so far. It hasn't been retired for very long, but most likely it'll go up in value the longer I wait. Here is another set similar to the Anakin's Racer set. This is Obi-Wan's hut. It's got 4 minifigures. Pretty decent investment so far. Similar to the other one though, it hasn't been retired for very long, so I'm gonna have to wait a little while to see how well it actually does. Next up, we got a Jurassic Park set, or Jurassic World. It's got 164 pieces and 2 dinosaur figures and 2 minifigures. And it's been a really great investment. Jurassic Park sets often do pretty well because they have these great dinosaur figures in them, and they're very unique pieces which help add to the value of the set. Next up, I've got a LEGO architecture set right here. This is the Statue of Liberty. It's I was able to get it for 20% off. Hasn't retired yet, but I do believe that it'll end up being a pretty great investment after it does retire. Very iconic landmark, which help add to its value by quite a bit. Next up, we have a LEGO Friends set. There are, I believe, 2 LEGO Friends sets, and this one is LEGO set 21319. It's got 1,070 pieces, quite a few great minifigures, and a lot of fun pieces in the set. For example, you've got like the guitar, and you've got a bunch of little coffee cups, and it's just very fun, filled with a lot of cool elements set that I also was able to get for 20% off to add to my investing portfolio. Okay, let's do 2 more Star Wars ones now. We've got this LEGO Battle Pack right here. This is the Sith Troopers Battle Pack. I got these on sale. And then, of course, we got this Brickhead set. This is the Mandalorian and Baby Yoda set. I was able to get these for a really good discount. Some of them I got for 41% off during Prime Day. And if you're able to get some of these for your investing portfolio, it probably won't be retiring for a little while, but if you want to get 1 or 2 to add to your investment portfolio, I think they could be a great addition. Next up, we've got 2 more Battle Pack sized sets. This is the LEGO Star Wars Mandalorian Battle Pack. It's got 4 minifigures, pretty standard prior to the price increases for LEGO Battle Packs. And then we've got a Harry Potter set, Aragog's Lair. This has done really well. I got these for somewhere between $9 and $12, depending when I bought them. And I've seen plenty of them sell on eBay for $45, so this has been an incredible investment for me. And I'm glad I picked that one. Next up, we have a LEGO Microfighter set. This has one of those double Microfighter set builds. It's got the AT-AT and Tom. It's got Luke Skywalker and the AT-AT driver as the minifigures in this set. Next up, we've got this one right here. This is the LEGO Star Wars Anakin's Pod Racer 20th Anniversary set. Of the 20th Anniversary sets, this is the one I have the most of. Haven't sold any of these yet because they were the last to retire, and I'm waiting for them to go up in value even more because the other 20th Anniversary sets have done incredibly well, and I'm guessing that this will follow the same trend. It's already done well, but I think it'll do even better. Next up, we've got a LEGO Harry Potter set. This is Buckbeak's Hut Rescue, and it's got 6 minifigures, these fun little pumpkin pieces, which I like in the set. And it's also got a light brick, which is a cool feature. Harry Potter is my second favorite investment theme. As you can see, I invest primarily in Star Wars, but Harry Potter also has a very loyal fan base, which can make it so people are more likely to pay for a set after it retires. Next up, let's do this giant one right here. So this set right here is the Lego Hogwarts Castle. It's got 6,020 pieces. It's MSRPs for $400, and it is by far the biggest set in my Lego investing portfolio. Hasn't retired yet, so I'm not sure how great it's going to do, but it is a very famous scene from from Harry Potter, and I think it'll do great. Next up, we've got a couple more Harry Potter sets. This is the Hogwarts Whomping Willow set. It's got 6 minifigures, and this set can attach to the other, smaller than that Hogwarts set to make an even bigger build. Here is the Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts set. So these two can combine into a very large Hogwarts Lego set, and because of that, I think they'll both be great investments. Next up, we have some Marvel sets right here. This is the Captain America's Outriders Attack set. Hasn't been great, definitely not my best investment. Then this one is Lego set 76101, Outrider Dropship Attack. It's got 4 minifigures, which kind of helped add to its value. This is the oldest set I have in my investing portfolio, and it hasn't done great, which is why I haven't sold it yet. So I would generally suggest avoiding Lego Marvel sets when you're considering investing in Lego. I bought those Marvel sets when I was pretty new to Lego investing, and they haven't turned out great. Next up, we have another little Statue of Liberty set. This is a Brickheads version. It's got 153 pieces, and it's set number 40367. I think that this set may do pretty well, may not. I might just open this set later on. It's really cheap, so not too big of a deal if it does well or if it doesn't. Next up, we have a Speed Champions set. Now, Speed Champions sets often do really well, and this is the first one I actually bought of the Speed Champions line. I bought 3 of these, and so far it's done really well. I've gotten a great return on investment with it, and I'm likely going to be investing more into Speed Champions in the near future. Next up, we have this giant Hogwarts Express set. It's got 6 minifigures and a train, obviously, which helps make it an even better investment. Generally, like trains and cars and vehicles end up being really great investments when it comes to Lego. So I think this one will end up doing really well when it retires. Next up, I have quite a few of these little individual character packs. This is from Series 3 Mario, and they've actually done really well they're really cheap, so I haven't made very much money off of them, but a pretty great ROI. And I'm probably going to hold on to these for a little while longer. Mario sets seem to be doing pretty well, a little bit better than I was expecting, so I'm going to hold on to that for a little while longer. Speaking of Lego Mario sets, this is the biggest Lego Mario set I have in my portfolio. I have 2 of these, and it is Lego set 71360, Adventures with Mario. This is the set that comes with the Mario figure that is needed to interact with any of the other Lego Mario sets, how you get coins and stomp on the bad guys and stuff. So when this retires, I think it'll be a great investment because you really need this set because of the Mario figure to really interact with the other Mario sets that have come later on. Next up, we have a 501st Battle Pack set. I have quite a few of these, but it's got some great figures. It's got 6 minifigures, 2 battle droids, and then 4 of the 501st Troopers, and I think this set will do really well. There's so many great minifigures in this, and generally Lego Battle Packs end up doing incredibly well. So I'm going to hold on to this for quite a while longer, probably sell them off slowly to make sure I don't miss off on any big price increases. Next up, we got some smaller sets here. This is the Lego Creator London Bus set, and then these 2 poly bags. I got these each for free. This is the Easter Bunny one I got for buying sets from Lego around Easter. And then this is a Super Mario poly bag. I've got 2 of these. It was great. I was able to get them for free. I got them just by buying $40 worth of Mario sets. And it's always great to have a free set in your investing portfolio. Next up, we've got my only Ninjago set, and I was able to get this one for, I believe, 30% off. It's been pretty great. Well, actually, it hasn't retired yet, so it hasn't been incredible. It's just kind of remained at the same price. But I think it's a cool little set. It's not worth very much. It's very cheap, so isn't a big deal if it doesn't end up doing very well, but I wanted to see what it was like to invest in a Lego Ninjago set. Next up, we've got a Lego Wolverine set, and I really like the Wolverine character here. He's pretty unique, and I think that'll help add a lot of value to this set once it retires. People are going to want to get that Wolverine figure, and they're going to have to buy that set to do so. Next up, we've got this set right here. This is the Anakin's Jedi Interceptor set. It is set 75281. Pretty great. I've gotten sets similar to these in the past. They're a good, safe, reliable investment. If you're able to get some of these on sale, even if it's a newer version, that could be a great addition to your investing portfolio. Another microfighter set I have quite a few of these. This is Lego set 75295, the Millennium Falcon set. This one comes with Han Solo minifigure, which is a great character, and I think will add some value to the set. And generally, those end up doing pretty well. Next up, I've got these two sets here, two more Star Wars sets. This is the Mandalorian Trouble on Tatooine set. It's got some good characters. It's got a Baby Yoda figure, which I think is going to help add a lot of value to the set. And then next up, we've got this one right here. This is Lego Star Wars Armored Assault Tank. It's got great minifigures, very colorful, and a somewhat famous, iconic build, so I think that'll help add to its value. And then next up, we've got this Lego Imperial Dropship 20th Anniversary set. This one has more than doubled in value already, and I might be holding on to it for a little while longer. I might sell, but I'm hoping it goes up in value even more, and currently I don't need to sell it right now, so I'm probably going to hold on to it for a little while longer. Speaking of 20th Anniversary sets, this is the biggest one of the 20th Anniversary sets. It's the Slave 1 20th Anniversary. It's got some great minifigures, and they're very valuable. Some of them are worth more than $45, so they're pretty great. And it comes with this, like all the 20th Anniversary sets, comes with a unique figure. In this case, it's the Princess Leia figure, which I think is a pretty great character to have. And then, next up, I've got another Harry Potter set. This is Lego Harry Potter Expecto Patronum. It comes with two Dementors, Sirius Black, and of course Harry Potter. It looked like a fun little build, and it's turned out to be a pretty good investment. It has already retired and done pretty well so far. Next up, I've got some more free Lego sets that I was able to get. And I wouldn't be buying these sets if they weren't for free, but they're kind of cool to have. They're each worth around $10, so $20 of free Lego, pretty great deal. Then the next one up is this one right here. This is Lego Harry Potter set. It's a Hogwarts Polyjuice Potion Mistake. And it's got this golden Harry Potter minifigure, which I think is going to add a lot of value to the set. Next up, I have two of these sets in my portfolio. This is the Snowspeeder for 4+, so for younger fans of Lego. It's got two good minifigures, pretty famous scene, and generally these larger pieces can help add to the value of a set, and people are willing to pay extra for it after it retires. Next up, we've got this set right here. This one I think is going to do really well, probably one of the ones I'm most excited about. This is the Luke Skywalker's X-Wing Fighter. It's got 474 pieces, 4 minifigures. I would say the most famous ship in the Star Wars franchise, so I think that this is going to be a really great investment because of that. And then, next up, we have got the Lego, here it is. This is Lego Star Wars set, and is the Death Star cannon. It's turned out pretty well. I have quite a few of these in my investing portfolio, and I'm going to be holding on to them for quite a while longer. They haven't really peaked in value yet, at least I think so I'm going to be holding on to it for a little while longer. And then, next up, we've got the Endor version of that Hoth interactive set. This one has actually done better than the Hoth one, which I find kind of interesting. I would guess because of the great minifigures in this one are more unique and a little more valuable than the minifigures in the Hoth version, but it still ended up doing pretty well. And then, I believe the last one here is this giant Lego Yoda minifigure, giant Yoda figure. It does come with a normal-sized minifigure of Yoda. It is ginormous. It's got 1,771 pieces, and I think this one will end up doing pretty well. It hasn't retired yet, but I do think that because it is such a famous character, that it will likely end up being a pretty great investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.